Alright, so let's say we're given this triangle here where we have this angle theta equal to 30 degrees. And the question says, if theta equals 30 degrees, what is theta in radians? To start, what are radians? Radians are the measurement of the ratio between the radius of a circle and the arc length of the path traveled during the rotation about an angle theta. So what does this mean physically? If we draw our vector of radius r and rotate it at an angle 30 degrees, s is going to be our arc path length, and theta in radians is going to be equal to the arc path length divided by the radius r. So it's going to be equal to s over r. But how do we convert from 30 degrees into radians? We can start identifying what we know. We know the circumference of a circle is 2 pi. If you travel around the whole circle, that's going to be equivalent to theta equal to 360 degrees. And the arc path length for that is just going to be the circumference of the circle, which is equal to 2 pi r. So we know that theta in radians is going to be equal to s over r. And our s value when we complete the full circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. If we plug that in and divide, we find that for our 360 degree rotation, theta in radians is 2 pi. So therefore there are 2 pi radians in one complete rotation. And so how many degrees is 1 rad? We can identify that 1 rad is equal to 360 degrees divided by 2 pi, because 360 degrees is one complete rotation and 2 pi is the number of radians in one rotation. So if we divide these two values, we get what 1 rad is equal to in degrees, and we find that's equal to 57.3 degrees. So this is the conversion factor. So what is theta in 30 degrees in radians? If we know that 1 rad is equal to 57.3 degrees, we can create this ratio here where 1 rad divided by 57.3 degrees is equal to a certain amount of radians divided by 30 degrees. Isolate for our question mark radians, we can multiply both sides by 30 degrees and then do a simple division, noting that our degree units cancel out, which makes sense. And we find that the number of radians is equal to this. So that means the angle 30 degrees is equal to 0.52 radians.